Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get durable tokens for the newly added event called Crownfall in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Act 1, which will bring up the overworld map of the event. So to get durable tokens, you first need to check which heroes will give you durable tokens when you win with them. To do that, all you need to do is click on this icon right here, which is durable, and it'll bring up a list that'll give you durable tokens upon win. For example, on the right, these heroes will give you 1 durable token upon win, and Bristleback will give you 2 durable tokens when you win with it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!